Ukraine said on Thursday it had received U.S. supplies of high-mobility artillery rocket systems, a powerful long-range weapon system that Kyiv hopes can help turn the tide on Russia's invasion. Himars have arrived to Ukraine. Thank you to my colleague and friend Defense Secretary Lloyd J. Austin for these powerful tools. Summer will be hot for Russian occupiers. And the last one for some of them, Ukraine Defense Minister Alexei Reznikov wrote on Twitter on Thursday. He did not say how many of the systems had arrived. The announcement came as Moscow's forces advanced in Ukraine's east in a bid to capture the industrial heartland known as the Donbas, where Ukraine fears some of its troops could be encircled in a Russian pincer. Ukraine has said it needs the Himars systems to better match the range of Russian rocket systems that it has said are being extensively used to pummel Ukrainian positions in the Donbas. Washington said it has received assurances from Kyiv that those longer-range weapons would not be used to attack Russian territory amid fears of an escalation of the conflict. While the West has sent weapons into Ukraine to help it fight the Kremlin's forces, Kyiv has complained it has only received a fraction of what it needs and is clamoring for heavier weaponry. Moscow has warned it will attack targets in Ukraine that they have not yet been hitting if the West supplies longer-range missiles to Ukraine for use in high-precision mobile rocket systems. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.